Sup, guys? This isn't my actual voice, but an AI-generated one because I didn't feel like shooting and editing an entire talking head video. So let's get to the point. What would happen if we combined Tomb Raider and Mad Max into a single movie poster? Stay tuned to find out, or of course jump to the end of this very long layer breakdown video. I had a lot of trouble with this hoodie in Liquify. The damn tool makes the change and then reverts it by itself because, well, Adobe. I only realized near the end that both hands and legs are actually from the same picture. Which is even dumber considering I changed that left hand at least 5 times. I mean her left, our right, the one without the gun. The compound bow was a last-minute addition but filled up that part of the image nicely. That is, if you don't notice I totally forgot to add the arrows. I go back and forth with this title, but it is what it is. The final composition has 82 layers, way lower than usual to my surprise. The blood effect turned out nice, but wasn't working with a zoomed-out image. It just looked like she drew a line on her face with a marker, so I scratched that idea. I hope you enjoyed that. Drop a like and subscribe, or visit my Instagram page for more stuff like this. Until next time.